Welcome to the homemaking and gardening channel, and today I am going to let you know what Ranna Pujo is, when is it celebrated, what's the significance of it, and how the puja is performed in villages. Also, I shall let you know how I perform it in my home to fit into the urban lifestyle. So, as I perform the tasks related to Ranna Pujo, let me share the details with you. Ranna Pujo is a quintessential festival of the Bongs, especially Gram Bangla, and the mud ovens are reconstructed and worship is done of the Ashtonag and Ma Manasa, the snake goddess. In monsoon, due to damp weather and floods, often the mud ovens are the residing places for the snakes where they seek shelter. As the monsoon ends in the last day of Bhadramash, usually falling on the 17th of September, the nooks and corners of the kitchens are cleaned, mud ovens are reconstructed, and hence Ranna Pujo is done. After cleaning the kitchen and reconstructing the oven, people prepare food throughout the night, and the next day morning they worship Ma Manasa, Ashtonag, and the oven, offer the food, and the oven is ready for further use throughout the year. The 17th of September is also Vishwakarma Puja, the Lord of Tools and Machineries, and the village folks are prohibited to cook today their food in their kitchen. They eat the bashi khawar, the food cooked the previous night. People cook Niramish and aamish khawar. Aamish food or non-veg food includes hilsa fry. For the veg or Niramish platter, the essential menu is like having fries in odd numbers, panta bhat, dal chochori, veg chochori, usually cooked dry so that food does not go stale over the period of time. Also, payash is made, and chalta chutney made of elephant apples is another delicacy that's a must try. Now that's how our village folks perform orondhon, a no cooking day of the year. Back in my home in the city of Kolkata, in the zeal of keeping my ancestral tradition from my father's side alive, I perform the custom. This is the second year. Last year was an aamish platter. Linking the video in the I button and the description box below, you can check it later. This year, as the Ranna Pujo is falling on Tuesday and we don't consume non-veg on Tuesdays, so we prepared a veg platter this time. I cleaned my kitchen thoroughly, prepared food the night before, performed a small aarti of my oven in the morning, and served the food on banana leaves. It's a traditional feast day for us. Bhadre Radha, Ashine Khawa, as the Bengalis say. As it's the conjunction time of monsoon and autumn, the food has health significance. It's cooling to our system and enhances our immunity as well. Eating on banana leaves has its own health benefits due to the release of certain compounds from the leaf. And the last significance is surely the fun factor of enjoying a no-cook day, especially for the home goddesses. And munching on a larger Bengali traditional thali is another incentive. This time we had 11 items in total in our platter, starting with panta bhat, 5 kinds of fries which were of plantain, pumpkins, potato fries, pointed gourd fries and brinjal fries. Then we had motar ghonto with fried nuts, dal chochori made up of masoor dal, payesh, chalta chutney, and yes, at the end of the platter was a sweet that we offered to Vishwakarma god while we performed our puja of our vehicles. So hope you liked today's video. If you liked it, just click on the like button. And if you have not yet subscribed to our channel, please subscribe to the homemaking and gardening channel. And till we meet again, take care and bye-bye.